Hello, I'm Herbert Hernandez ng YNR Philippines. Executive Creative Director ako dito.
Hi, I'm Noel Flores. I'm a story artist slash concept artist slash production designer in Philippine entertainment.
14 years ago, estudyante ako ng CFAD, batch 2002.
Primarily social deviant ako. Pumasok ako sa CAFA. At long last, naramdaman ko meron ako mga kaparehong lahi.
Nung bata ako, mahilig na ako mag-drawing, yung imaginations ko sobrang lumilipad. Actually, nagkaroon ako nung una confusion kung mag-music ba ako or architecture. Pero may nabasa lang akong book noon na kung saan ka daw mas nag-excel nung bata ka, yun yung piliin kong path. So, pinili ko Fine Arts.
After watching Clash of the Titans in 1980, 1981, and Empire Strikes Back, gusto ko maging artist or kung sino man yung gumagawa ng mga creature, spaceships and kingdoms and whatever fantastic or sci-fi. Nung pumasok ko sa Fine Arts, I didn't know what kind of work I would be entering. At first, I thought I wanted to be an advertiser. Then, after looking at books and master artists, I think I fell in love with entertainment art. Siguro nung college ko talaga nakita yung kung ano yung gusto kong maging.
Totoo lang, na-inspire ako nung college ako. Na-inspire ako ni Sir Noel Flores. Kasi siya yung unang nagsabing magiging creative director ako. So, parang hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung sabihin nun. So, na-inspire ako nun na yung mga ganong bitaw lang ng teachers, parang wow, ano kaya yun?
Basta pagpasok ko sa community ng Fine Arts, mas lumakas yung kagustuhan kong maging artist.
Ang di ko makalimutan nung nasa CFAD Kappa ako, yung gina-juggle mo yung pagiging student council mo, at the same time yung pagiging students mo, estudyante mo, at pagiging banda ko. Kasi doon na-sign yung Moonstar 88 nung first year college ako, papuntang second year. Exciting dahil ang tendency ko nun, humahataw ako. I mean, naging blessing din dahil kasi, kakahataw mo, ang ganda ng grades mo. Mas nag-spend ako ng time sa pag-iisip than execution. Kasi alam ko nun, pag mas maganda yung idea mo, mas madaling i-execute.
Everything is memorable sa CFAD. Kasi tulad na sinabi ko, it's like my natural habitat. Kasi nandito yung mga kauri ko. At kung napapansin ninyo, kahit tapos na ako or hindi ako nagtuturo sa UST or connected ako sa ibang company, bumabalik pa rin ako sa UST Fine Arts. So, naglalagay pa rin ako if I want to think of something for a particular project, I would walk sa Plaza Mayor.
Kung ulitin ko yung college ko, ano yung babaguhin ko? Siguro, mas aaralin ko pa yung digital. Noon, available na yung digital eh.
I will do everything again. Probably better, pero I wouldn't know kasi hindi ko alam kung matatandaan ko yung ginawa ko nung college na ito. Pero I will probably just do the same things as I did before.
Pinaka-importanting lesson na natutunan ko na siguro yung yung laging enjoyin mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Kasi even the thesis, di ba sobrang haba-habang yung ginagawa yun. Pero 20 minutes mo lang ipipresent. 40 minutes maximum, pero 20 minutes lang. So, enjoyin mo lang.
Being an artist is being to yourself and what you really want to do.
Siguro yung success sa akin yung pag naging successful din yung nasa paligid mo. Yung buong team mo masaya, saya sa nangyayari. So, yun yung success sa akin.
Well, it's not the career. Kumbaga, siguro nung college ako, I was thinking, if I become this and that, I'd be successful. And the lesson of acknowledging who you really are as an artist, finding yourself, throughout this adventure you call creative life.
Nagbigay ako ng advice sa mga magulang na they have to trust their kids, na kailangan supportahan nila. Kung may ibang passion yung anak nila, like ako, banda, gumraduate pa rin ako with honors. Kumbaga, kasi naging inspirasyon ko yung pagbabanda para mag-aral ng mabuti. So, pwede rin sa iba yun. Hindi nila kailangan hadlangan yung gusto ng mga anak nila.
No, well, in terms of passion naman, really passionate sa pagiging artist or whatever activity that you are doing. No matter how many heartbreaks that you get, no matter how many failures that you experience, if you have the passion, if you're in love so much of what you do, no hindrance, no heartbreak, nor obstacle would stop you from doing what you do.
Daig ng passionate na tao yung magaling na tao.
The art that I'm in, concept art for entertainment, I think that's something that influences me to push further.
Siguro sasabihin ko na matuto rin akong relax. Kasi nung time na yun, sobrang hataw-hataw.
Speak with my younger self, that would be not to be afraid of uncertainty. So everything is uncertain. Kumbaga, no matter how you plan things, the future is uncertain. So never be afraid of uncertainty, especially when you have art to protect, if you have the passion.
Sa trabaho, hataw. Siguro parang may time rin to rest.
Confirmation that what you're doing as a creative would be right.
May monopoly naman ng ideas. Yung ideas pwedeng mapunta sa kahit kanino. Pwedeng manggaling kahit saan. So, wala eh. Pagdating ng problema, lahat kayo mag-start sa wala. And the more na wala kang alam, mas okay. And the more na mali, mas tama.
An artist is an important part of the society, so it's an constant confirmation.
So, message ko sa mga CVAD students, number 1, passion talaga, totoo yan. Gawin nyo lang lahat ng, kumbaga, sa lahat ng gagawin nyo, just do your best. Tapos, number 2, cliche ito pero totoo, na it's a marathon, hindi siya sprint. So, huwag kayong magmadali. Gawin nyo lang as long as nag-move forward kayo. Number 3, never compare kung ano yung na-achieve nyo sa iba. Kasi doon kayo madadown eh. Pag kino-compare nyo yung sarili nyo sa iba. So, titignan nyo lang yung ibang plate kung gusto nyo malaman kung kulang yung sa kanila. So, pero never nyo dapat tignan kung anong meron sila na wala ka. So, yun lang. And lastly, number 4, dasal. So, yun importante para lahat ng gagawin mo na ayon sa kagustuhan mo. So, keep on praying lang.
Never be afraid of uncertainty. Always stay creative. Siyempre, all of your artists. Pero the idea is not to take things seriously.